Welcome to Outing Journal. By the way, I'm recording with Canon M6 Mark II. I know Canon M6 Mark II is being discontinued in some of the region. That's why I said why not just make a video vlog. I'm using the 11 to 22 millimeter at 11 millimeter. I'm using the landscape style. I really like the color reproduction of the landscape picture style or picture profile, whatever you wanna call. So today I'm hungry. So where's my wife? Rabia, where are you? Are you feeling hungry? So I'm thinking to have some meal. What should we eat? So let's see. Okay, there's Subway. I found the Subway. So trying the Subway in Hong Kong. I think I really have to get the Subway. Rabia, there's like egg and mayo also. Maybe we should try the tuna Subway, right? What kind of this seafood party? Should we try this one? Rabia, come here. Seafood. Hello, 1 minute. So about the seafood, what is inside the seafood?
Seafood patty.
Yeah, seafood patty.
Seafood.
Seafood like fish and shrimp.
Seafood and
You wanna try this? You wanna try the seafood? Yeah, just stand there, you will fall down. Oh, how much is the seafood?
half a full.
Full
69.
69. Okay, seafood. There's no kind of meat, right? Like something like pork or chicken or beef, right? Okay. I want the. I want this oregano. Rabia, I'm buying the seafood. Do you want something more? Okay. Look at short. Yes. Put olive and yeah, olive and corn. And I put more olive and corn. That's and some onion. That's okay. Ravi, what do you want? Do you want something? You want the corn?
A little bit corn.
Oh, okay, okay, $8. Yeah. You have to pay extra $8, which is around $1 US. Just put whatever remaining you like. I don't know, to be honest with you. Maybe put some lettuce and some onion.
Yeah, some onion.
You want some pickle? Cucumber. And then some pickle. And what kind of chili is this one?
Green pepper.
Oh, green pepper. Okay, then this one. Green pepper also. Yeah. You want some tomato?
Yes.
Okay, tomato also. So let me know what you want. That's all. Sauce, Frozen Island mustard. Give me honey mustard. Honey mustard and chipotle. Yeah, that's all. Rabia, battery will finish. So finally we got the Subway, we got the seafood patty for around $9 US. I'm very excited. So should we try?
Yes. I'm starving.
Okay, by the way, still in standard stabilization, 11 millimeter landscape profile. Shall we go? Let's go. So right now, looking for somewhere to sit down and eat. We are in One Chai. Space is very limited. Can we find a space? I don't think so we can find a place to eat here, but still we can try. Canon M6 Mark II with 11 to 22 is a perfect vlogging camera. Again, you can easily record video, especially when I record using the Panasonic S5 20 to 60. I love that camera also, but people stare a lot. People rarely stare with this one. I'm just trying to find a bench where we can sit and eat. Okay, let's try outside. Come here. This one. How much?
$8.
$8. October. Abhi, sit down.
Yeah.
I'm coming. Thank you very much. Abhi, let's go. Rok do. Sadly, I couldn't find a single place where we can sit down and enjoy our subway. Wow, this is one of the downside of the urban development, when it do not include a simple bench for people for us to sit down. This what happened. Not a single bench we can't find here. There are a lot of people out here. Still we are unsuccessful on our quest to find a bench. Okay, let me. This slow motion person was blocking my way. The location is quite nice here. Also the weather is quite nice. Finally a sunny weather. I love sunny weather. I hate monsoon weather. I think we have to go down here somewhere to find a bench. I think so. Okay, maybe here.
Can you open this? How to open this?
So my wife is going to eat the Subway. So okay, bolna shuru karo. So she is going to try the Subway, the seafood patty one. Try it.
Chakat got heavy.
Try it. Do not try it. Be careful. How is the taste? This is a landscape profile. How is the taste? So you already make your headscarf very dirty again. Some people have the hobby of eating like an idiot. Okay, finish it. So let me know what do you think about it. Bye.